Good morning everybody. Well, today is Monday the 4th of May, so I hope you all had a really good weekend and it's time to get back to doing some schoolwork. So for our numbers today, we are going to use some numbers from our weather chart. So I hope some of you have been having a go at home to do your own weather chart. If you haven't, don't worry. I'll put a photograph of this one at the end of the video, so that if you don't have numbers you can pause it and use these ones. Okay, so today we are going to use the numbers on our chart to be data analysis. We are going to use all the numbers to find out things. We're going to find out how many of each different type of weather we did, and then we're going to make a graph. So let's get started. At the very top of my sheet it's asking for the date. So this is a whole week. So this week's weather started at the 27th of April and it went to the 3rd of May. So I'm going to write that at the top. So 27th of April to the 3rd of May. So that's us ready to go. So for each of these different types of weather, I am going to count to see how many we've got. So the first one is the sun. Let's have a look. So that's going to be on the top row. How many sunshines can we see? Let's count. 1. Oh, only 1. And actually that was in the morning. I think by later in the day it was quite cloudy and a little bit rainy. But that's okay, we had 1 sunshine in the morning. So in this box beside the sun, I'm going to write number 1. Right, let's see, moving down, the next one is a bit of cloud and a bit of sun. So again we're going to count how many. Moving along, oh, 1, 2, 3. There were 3 days last week when we had a bit of cloud and a bit of sun. So I'm going to put a 3 in there. Next one, how many cloudy days? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. And they were quite grey cloudy days actually. So that's all of the ones up in the sky, the cloud and the sun. We're moving on to, what do next? Do the wind's next. Wind. So how many days was there wind? Either a little or a lot. So this is this row here. Let's count first of all the days we had wind. So let's see. Oh, that's just a little, but we'll count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 days with wind. So I'll put a nice number 5 in the box. How many with no wind? Let's count again. 1, 2. 2 days with no wind. Alright. We're moving on to our precipitation, things that fall from the sky. So how many days of rain? Let's have a count. Oh, there was only 1 day when it was raining when I did my chart, which was Thursday. I know it rained other days. It did rain other days, but that was when I was actually out checking it. So 1 day with rain. How many were not raining when I went outside? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What was down the bottom? 6. And as you can see, half the week this week we had rain gauge measurements. So I'm going to, next week when we do our numbers, we can put the amount of rain down as well, but we've only got half a week, so I'm not going to do it this week. Right, looking at our chart, it was asking about snow and hail. we didn't have any snow or hail this week, so both are 0. And that just leaves us with the temperature. So again, this is a little bit difficult to tell because sometimes it feels a bit hotter than others, but this week we're going to introduce actual temperatures as well. So for our chart this week, how many hots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 days when it was hot, which means there are 1, 2, 3, 4 when it was a little bit colder. There we are. So I have finished the numbers. We could also add some colours to that. So I could colour in my sunshine, I could colour in my rain and my snow and things. But I'm going to leave it just now. You can do that at home if you like. Because I'm going to move on to the other page. So the other page I've sent home to families is this for our graph. So at the top it says, what has the weather been like this week? And I thought for this time we would maybe have a look at cloud cover, so how sunny or cloudy it was. So we're going to put the 3 different types, the sun, the half cloudy, half sunny, and the cloudy at the bottom of our graph. So you can either use a graph like this, which I've sent home, or you can do it yourself. You can draw your lines and then just match it up. There's lots of different ways of doing graphs. Today we are going to do a bar graph. So along the bottom, we're going to put the types of weather. So in this first one, you can see there's boxes, there's spaces along the bottom. In this bit here, I'm going to put a sun. And I'm going to write sun too. So you could either, you can draw, or you can just write the word. Okay, the other next one is going to be a cloud and a bit of sun. So I'm going to do a nice bumpy cloud with a wee sun poking out. Okay, so we've got sun, we've got sun and cloud, and the last one is just cloud. And again, you can put some colour in it. And put a bit of yellow in the sun. Yellow in there. There we are. Okay. So now we're going to use the numbers that we just did to put some bars onto our bar graph. So what we do is we find out how many we have. So for the first one we've got is sun. So I'm going to look at my chart. How many days of sun did we have? Let's have a look. Oh, we had 1. So we're going to colour in 1 box of sun. So it's going to, the bar is going to go right up to where it says 1. So along that line there, I'll show you what I mean. I think I'll make it yellow. So there's now yellow on my bar graph and it stops at number 1. So if we look along where the bar stops, that tells us how many days we had. So there's 1 day of sunshine. The next one is a bit of sun and cloud. So let's see how many. Can you tell me? Can you see it? Oh, here it is. 3. We had 3 days of sun and cloud. So what will we have this time? A bit of green maybe? A bit of green. So this time, instead of stopping at the 1, I'm going to go up from this picture. It's going to be in the second column and it's going to go right the way up to 3. So it's going to stop where the number 3 is, which is here. I'll show you. them. So I've got green for my clouds and my sun. There we go. So there we go, if we look along. So how many days did we have cloud and sun? Here it's here, so we'll go up, 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 and along the top of that line till we see, oh, we had 3 days of cloud and sunshine. So we've got one more to do, that's our cloudy days. So how many cloudy days did we have? Can you tell me? That's it, we had 3 cloudy days. So I think we'll have blue for our cloudy days. So that, in fact, that's going to be the same as the sun and cloud. So the line is going to go along to number 3. Hold it in. Show you where we've got to. There we are. Right. Here we are. So we had cloud for 1, 2, going along, 3 days. So we can use our bar graph, our bar chart, to tell you things as well. If we didn't have this sheet, it wouldn't matter because this would tell us how many days we had. So for example, if it had been a beautiful day and we'd had 6 days of sun, this bar would be right the way up here, and we could tell by looking along to find the number, and that would tell us how many days it is. So this is a bar graph. It's great to have a wee go at. So as I said, even if you haven't got your own weather chart done, that's not a problem. I'm going to put a nice photograph at the end of the video and you can pause it and then use the numbers to make your own chart. But if you did one of your own, you can use your own numbers. It will probably be different from mine because it depends where you are or even when in the day you did it. Because I've been doing mine first thing in the morning and sometimes it's different by the time it gets to lunchtime. So that's us. That's our numbers, our weather numbers and our data analysis. That's a big thing to be doing for today. Okay, so have fun. We'll see you tomorrow for some more numbers. Bye. If you don't have your own chart to use, you can use the numbers from this one.